asigamere tí a kílẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ de nípa tẹ yíyá kó gbọ̀ àsìmẹ́ ọjọ́ bá yọ̀ ẹ́sìmẹ́ nípa tẹ yíyá kó gbọ̀ àsìmẹ́ yàrá ní àkọ́ tẹ yíyá kó fẹ́ ní nọ̀gbẹ́ mọ́ pété méjì tiẹ̀ pọ̀ ẹ̀tẹ̀ yíyá mẹ́ta ní ẹ̀kọ́ pọ̀ ẹgbẹ̀jì kúrò afẹ́fẹ́ tẹ yíyá mẹ́ta ní ẹ̀kọ́ pọ̀ ká ẹgbẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹ́nì lẹ̀ tẹ yíyá kó wà fẹ́yìn ẹ̀mí lẹ̀ kó wà fẹ́rẹ̀ ẹ̀rẹ́mi tó kùkùrù dẹ́hùn mi tó jìjì ọ̀dẹ́hùn ẹ̀mí mi yàtọ̀ wù àmẹ́dá ẹ̀dùdù yíyá de ẹ̀kọ́ ní àdùn akọ́kà àtẹ́màtà mẹ́rẹ́kọ̀ ńlẹ́kẹ́mà wà mẹ́rẹ́kọ̀ jìjọ wẹ́ ẹgbẹ̀rẹ̀ nípọ̀tẹ̀ yíyá kó wà fẹ́ ní àjàlẹ̀ gbọ́mẹ̀ akọ̀tẹ̀ yíyá àmẹ́rẹ́kẹ̀ sísá kọ́lẹ̀ dá lẹ́nẹ́ ní akọ̀tẹ̀ yíyá akọ̀yí akọ̀tsàkọ̀tà pété akọ̀tẹ̀ yíyá bàfẹ́ sọ́ adé ẹgbẹ̀mí yúrù tiẹ̀ wọlé yẹfu de bẹ́ heading of the union so when the union is failed we will appreciate our God the maker in heaven and then we appreciate our forefathers who is heaven because we remember the compassion for the story from Fernando Po in the Equatorial Guinea example and so we also are remembering our forefathers who migrated from Nigeria Ile Ife and then today they discover a simple food that can provide sumptuous satisfaction and livelihood habitable livelihood and so today we are just walking through town to display the new yam and then tomorrow morning which is at dawn we will taste the first new yam which is feasting of the yam early morning in all the strongholds and all the stew houses in Ho and Asogli for that matter and so we are going to taste the new yam for the first time tomorrow early morning and when that is done then all the stews will get their feasting together and after that we will continue to feast on the new yam and nothing will happen to anybody nobody will be affected nobody will have stomach pain nobody will have issues we are going to feast on it and we are going to be happy and so those people who are thinking that new yams have come to the market already it is an anomaly it should not be the case it should not be the situation when a new yam is brought to the market it is illegal and for that matter you know there are a lot of people who have mixed us and so we will not be able to fault them that much we will only caution them that it's not proper because the Hosi who is our mother must be told and must be I was looking for you to come and capture this. Some examine it all one. Let me finish this one. Thank you.